A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Mass Online class. Today class is chapter 7, frequency distribution tables and graphs, exercise 7.2. A very good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, exercise chapter 7, frequency distribution tables and graphs. In exercise 7.2, first problem and second, fifth completed. Today we are discussing about the third problem. First, third problem. Open page number 166, exercise 7.2, third problem. All of you look at the textbook, children. Third problem, listen carefully. Class intervals in a grouped frequency distributions are given as 4 to 11, 12 to 19, 20 to 27, 28 to 35, 36 to 43. Write the next two class intervals. The first write next two class intervals. The first question is, what is the length of each class interval? What is the length of class interval? And second question, write the class boundaries of all classes. Boundaries, lower boundary and upper boundary. Next, third question, what are the class marks of each class? So here 4 concepts are given. So first one is the next two class intervals, and next one is the class interval, next class boundaries, and next last one is the class mark find. Okay children, so first write the data. So here given to third question solution, given to 4 to 11 and 12 to 19 and 20 to 27 and 28 to 35 and 36 to 43. Given the data. So first next two class intervals. Next two class intervals. Only here asking two class intervals. So 36 to 43. What is the difference of the class interval? What is the difference here? So that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here so here continuation numbers are next number, counting the next number onwards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is the difference is 7. Okay, everything. So here 12 plus 7, 19, 20 plus 7, 27, 28 plus 7, 35. So 36 plus 7, 43. Next here write 44, 44 plus 7, 51. Next 52 to 59. Did you understand children? The difference is the class interval 7. So here class interval 4 to 11, 12 to 19, 20 to 27 and 28 to 35, 36 to 43, 44 to 51, 52 to 59. Next, the first answer is the next two class intervals 44 to 51 and 52 to 59. Okay, completed. The next first solution, what is the length of each class interval? What is the length of class? Each interval. Class length is, so here write first question solution. So here the difference is the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is a class length. Class length equal to 8. Did you understand, children? Class length equal to 8 because of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8. Okay, children. Next. Second question, write the class boundaries of the all classes. Boundaries, lower boundary and upper boundary. The second question, it is the second solution. This is the first solution. This is the second question solution. So, write the class boundary. So, it is a class interval, given that class interval and boundaries. We know that all here boundaries. So, that first class is a upper limit, the average of a upper limit, and the next class of a lower limit. The average means 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12 is 23. Average means here 2 observations you have to take. So that is by 2. 11 plus 12, 23. 23 by 2. 23 by 2. So here 2 ones 2, here 2, again 1, for 1.05. So here upper boundary is 11.5. Already we explained that. So it is a minus 0.5. Okay. So here 11. Here before of number is the 3 is there. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 2 means 3.5. Okay. So here observe that all upper limits adding 0.5 and subtraction of 0.5 is a lower limits. So each and every lower limit subtraction of 0.5. Okay. So here what is the upper boundary? Next class we have to take the lower boundary. 12 means 0.5 subtraction. So here 11.5. Okay. So next here 19.5. Adding the, so here 27.5. Next here 35.5. Next here 43.5. Next here 51.5. Here 59.5. These are upper boundaries. So here what is the class of end of the upper boundary? Then here next class is the lower boundary. That is next. Okay. Here 27.5, 35.5, 43.5, 51.5. Did you understand, children? Okay. So it is a very easy adding of 0.5 of upper boundary. So subtraction of 0.5. Both limits adding or subtraction of 0.5 only. Okay. So left side values are a lower boundary and right side value is a upper boundary. Okay, did you understand? It is the second question solution. Did you understand, children? Okay. Next in the third question, what are the class mark of each class? What are the class mark of each class? We know that class mark means the average of a class interval. Okay. It is a second question solution. Next, third question. What is the third question? Class mark. You find the class mark. So look here. Okay. So it is the third. Next, third solution. So look at the board, all of you. Here class interval are there. Next, class mark. Class mark means the average of class. It means the sum of lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Class mark is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. It means 4 plus 11 by 2. 4 plus 11 is 15 by 2. So here write 2, 15, 7 2s are 14, 1 point, take the the 0, 5 twos are 10. So it is a class mark is 7.5. Okay. Next class interval 12 plus 19 by 2. So here 12 plus 19 31. 31 by 2. So again do the 31. 2 ones 2, 3 minus 2 1 and write down 1. 5 twos are 10. 1 point take the 0. 5 twos are 10. So here 15.5. This is a class mark. Okay. Next here 20 plus 27 by 2. 20 plus 27. 47 by 2. 47 by 2. 2 divided by 47 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4, 7, 3 twos are 6, 1 is there point, take the 0, 5 twos are 10. So here write 23.5. Next 28 plus 35 by 2. 28 plus 35 by 2. 28 plus 35, 63 by 2. 63 by 2. So here write 63. 63 divided by 2. 3 twos are 6. 3 is there. 2 ones 2. 1 is there. Point. Put the point and take the 0. 5 twos are 10. So that is a 31.5. Next. 36 plus 43 by 2. 36 plus 43. 79 by 2. Next here. 44 plus 51 by 2 equal to 95 by 2. Next. 52 plus 59 by 2. So 52 plus it means of 111 by 2. So here 2 into 79, 3 twos are 6, 1 9, 9 twos are 18, 1, put the point, take the 0, 5 twos 10. So it is a 39.5. 39.5. Next. 2 into 95 divided by 2. 4 twos are 8. 7 twos are 14. 1.0. 5 twos are 10. So here 47.5. Next. 111 divided by 2. 5 twos are 10. 1 11. So again 5 twos are 10. 1. Put the point, take the 0. 5 twos are 10. So here 55.5. It is a class mark of the given the class interval. Did you understand, children? So it is a class mark of 7.5 and 12 to 19 class interval 15.5 is a class mark and 23.5. Next here 31.5, 39.5, 47.5 and 55.5. These are a class marks. Okay, children. Here 3 is the third question. 3 questions are there. First one is a find the class length. Second one is a boundaries and the third one is a class mark. Okay, children. Did you understand? Okay. Next, sixth question. Look at the sixth question. Next, sixth question. Look at the textbook, children. Construct the class boundaries of the following frequency distribution table. Also construct less than cumulative and greater than cumulative frequency. Here once observe cumulative frequency, it means of adding the frequency. So cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency means adding the starting onwards frequency. Greater than means you add the down onwards. Okay. So once observe that here construct the class boundaries of the following frequency distribution table. First, write the boundaries, upper boundary and lower boundary, and next less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. Here given the table ages 1 to 3, 1 to 3, age of the children's, number of children 10, and 4 to 6 ages, number of children 12, 7 to 9, number of children 15, 10 to 12, number of children 13, 13 to 15, number of children 9. So here look at the board, all of you children. So it is a first given the age, already given the age. It is a class interval. It is a class interval 1 to 3. Next 4 to 6. Next 7 to 9. Next 10 to 12. Next 13 to 15. Here given that already age. So that is a class interval. Next number of children, that is a frequency. So 1 to 10, 1 to 3, age of children is 10 and 12 here and 15 and here 13 and 9. Okay. So next one, lower boundary. Already in the previous problem I explained that what is the lower boundary of class interval. So left side values the subtraction of 0.5. Okay. So here 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. Next 4, 0.5 subtraction 3.5. Next 6.5. Next 9.5. Next 12.5. These are lower boundaries. Next upper boundaries. Adding the right side values 0.5, 3.5, 6.5, 9.5, 12.5 and 15.5. Okay. Upper boundary and lower boundary. Okay. Next less than cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. Now here take the frequency. So first 10 is there. So in the before any number is there. So no, not there. So that is you have to take the 10. Next one frequency is 12. So here next counting 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12, 22. That is a 4 to 6 of class interval 4 to 6 of your cumulative frequency. Next 7 to 9 here 15. 10 plus 12 plus 15. So 10 plus 12 plus 15 equal to 37. So here 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13. It is a 40. Sorry, here 50. Okay, next 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13 plus 9. 50 plus 9, 15. That is a cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Okay. Next greater than. Greater than means you adding of down to up. Okay children. So here you start here 9. So here onwards is starting. Okay, 9. Next 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 is 22. 9 plus 13 is a 22. Next 9 plus 13 plus 15 is 22 plus 15, 37. Next 9 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 equal to 49. Next 9 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 10 equal to 59. 59. So did you understand children? Okay? Okay children. So once again explain that sixth question solution. Find the boundaries and less than, greater than cumulative frequency values. So here observe that first given the class interval, these are ages. Okay. Next number of children, that is a frequency. Okay. Lower boundary, we have to take the class interval of a left side values is subtraction of 0.5 value and adding of a right side values of adding of a 0.5. So it is a lower boundary 0.5, 3.5, 6.5, 9.5, 12.5. Okay. Upper boundary 3.5, 6.5, 9.5, 12.5, 15.5. So next less than cumulative frequency. So here first frequency 10 is there. So as usual write of 10. Next one adding of the frequencies 10 plus 12, 22, 10 plus 12 plus 15, 37. Next 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13, 50. Next 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13 plus 9 is 59. That is a less than cumulative frequency. Next greater than cumulative frequency. Now starting with the down onwards. So here 9 is there. 9 plus 13, 22. 9 plus 13 plus 15, 37. 9 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12, 49. 9 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 10, 59. It is a lower boundary, upper boundary and less than cumulative frequency. Okay, did you understand children? Okay. Next, eighth question children. Look at the eighth question. Number of readers in a library are given below. Write the frequency of respective classes. Also write less than cumulative frequency. Okay. Did you understand children question? Number of readers in library are given below. Here given the data. Write the frequency of respective classes. Also write the less than cumulative frequency. Okay. So here in the table are given that number of books and greater than cumulative frequency. First write that. Number of books, it is a class interval. So 1 to 10 and 11 to 20 and 21 to 30 and 31 to 40 and next 41 to 50. Okay children. So here frequency did not given. You find them frequency and less than frequency. Write the greater than cumulative frequency. So greater than cumulative frequency means you write the down onwards. 6. Yes, that is correct only. Yes, 6. 14. 23. And 36 and 42. That is given that data. Then next you find the frequency and less than frequency. How can you write that frequency and less than frequency? Yes, once observe that, find the frequency. So that is here 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. How much 14 minus 6? 8. 14 minus 6 is a 8. Next 23 minus 14. 23 minus 14 is 9. Next 36 minus 23 is 36 minus 23 is 13. Next 42 minus 36 is a 6. So first you write the frequency here as usual, write of frequency 6. Next the consecutive, the difference of consecutive numbers. The difference of consecutive numbers is a frequency. Okay children. So here next 30. So here 6. Next 14 minus 6 is the value is 8. 8. Next one 23 to 14 is the value is 9. Next 36 to 23 is a 13 and 42 minus 36 is a difference is 6. It is a frequency. Did you understand, children? The consecutive values, the consecutive, here also write that 42 minus 36, the difference is 6. Okay, next 36 minus 23, 13. 23 minus 14, 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. As usual, write the 6. Or like this also do that. 14 minus 16, 42 minus 36 equal to 8. So here write 8. Sorry, 6 here. 42 minus 36 is the value is the 6. Okay. Next. 36 minus 23, 13. Next. 23 minus 14, 9. 14 minus 6, 8. As usual, write the 6. Okay. It is a frequency. Next, less than cumulative frequency. We know that as usual, write the 6 and next adding the frequency. 6 plus 13, 19. 6 plus 13 plus 9. So here 28. Next 6 plus 13 plus 9 plus 8. 36. Next 6 plus 13 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 equal to 36 plus 6, 42. So write here 6, 19, 28, 36, 42. This is a less than cumulative frequency. Okay, children, it is a 8th solution. So the homework is exercise 7.2 is a 7th problem and 4th problem. These two problems do the homework. Did you understand, children? Exercise 7.2, 4th problem and 7th problem. These two problems are do the homework. Next, going to the third 7.3 exercise. So 7.3 is a graph problems. All are take the graph papers or graph book. Okay, children. Now we will explain the exercise 7.3 graph. It is a bar graph also is there and polygon graphs are frequency polygon is there and ogive graph. It is a very important ogive graph. Okay, children. Okay. Next one is bar graph. How to draw the bar graph? What is a bar graph? See, children, a bar graph can be defined as a chart or a graphical representation of data, quantities or numbers using bars or stripes. Bar graphs are used to compare and construct numbers, frequencies or other measures of distinct categories of data. It is a bar graph. Next, exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. Next, dear children, exercise 7.3, first problem. All of you take the graphs, children. The following table gives the distribution of 45 students across the different levels of intelligence quotient. Draw the histogram for the data. Here given the data, children, IQ means it is a class interval. IQ means intelligent coefficient here there, quotient and intelligent coefficient. Next, number of students. So 60 to 7 is 2 and 70 to 80 is 5. 80 to 96 it is a frequencies, it is a class intervals. Okay, children, already we do the exercise 7.2 problems. So these are class intervals, these are frequency. Okay, children, now solution. First question, solution. Look at, all of you look here, class interval. So here given the table 6 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90 and 90 to 100, 100 to 110. So here 110 to 120 and 120 to 130. This is the number of students. Frequency 2, 5, 6, 10, 9, 8, 5. So here children, here draw the graph. Draw the graph. Draw the histogram for the data. Find the data. So here first class mark. Class mark means mid values. The average of class interval. The average of class interval. 60 plus 70 by 2. 130, 60 plus 70, 130 by 2. 130 by 2 is 65. So here 70 plus 80 by 2. 150, 70 plus 80, 150. 150 by 2, 75. Next, 80 minus 90. Sorry, 80 to 90. 80 plus 90 by 2. 80 plus 90, 170 by 2, 85. The mid value is the 85. So here 90 to 100. 90 plus 100 by 2. 190 by 2. Mid value is 95. So 100 to 110. So that is 210 by 2, 105. So here 110 plus 120 by 2, 230 by 2, 115. 120 to 130, 120 plus 130 by 2 equal to 250 by 2 equal to 125. These are class marks or mid values. These are class marks or mid values. So here observe that it is a do the division all these answers. Okay children. So here, so first here H. What is the H here? The difference between the consecutive mid values or class marks. 75 minus 65, that is a difference of a class mark 10. And see a class interval. What is the difference of a class interval? 70 to 60. The difference is the 10. Okay children. Next, must and should write the graph in right side scale. X-axis equal to 1 centimeter. What we have to take the units, that only write. And y-axis what 1 centimeter equal to. So that is given that frequency, how to write like that only. Okay. Next, construct a histogram with class interval. Okay children. So now start the graph. Did you understand children? This is it. First write the table and find the values, and next draw the diagram. Graph. Okay children. Dear children, continuation graph. Okay, third problem, exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3, first problem, graph. So here, so it is, I will draw the x-axis. It is a horizontal line. It is a horizontal line here. Look at the graph children. First I draw the x-axis. It is called a horizontal line, is reference to called a x-axis. So it is a x-axis. Okay children. Next, draw the vertically line. Draw the vertically line. It is a y-axis. It is a vertically line. Draw the vertically line. It is a y-axis. It is a y-axis. Okay children. Horizontal lines reference to x-axis and vertically lines reference to y-axis. Did you understand children? Okay. So must and should write the scale. Write in right side, write the scale. Right side, write the scale. So what we have to take the x-axis and what we have to take the y-axis. That is only scale. Must and should write. So dear children, here once observe that here only I draw the x-axis thick lines. Once observe that here diagram in the graph, thick lines only draw the axis. Here like the, all of you look at the graph. So here thick lines are there. That is a 1 unit. That is a 1 here to here 1 unit. The difference is the 1 unit. Okay children. Here to here the thick line to difference is the 1 unit. Okay. So here horizontal line reference to x-axis and vertically line reference to y-axis. So here scale. First we should write here scale. So what is the scale here? So x-axis 1 centimeter equal to, this is the x-axis 1 centimeter. So here to here the distance between the units. So here to here. So what we have to take the x-axis first of all. So here have to take the class interval. X-axis, every graph we have to take the x-axis is class interval and y-axis is frequency. Y-axis is frequency. We have to take the y-axis frequency. Okay, did you understand, children? Given the problem, you have to take the x-axis class interval. It means in the class interval is intelligent quotient. Okay, in the problem y-axis is the frequencies, number of students. Okay, children. So y-axis you have to take the number of students. Okay, children. Okay. So here now x-axis 1 centimeter equal to. So here class interval how 6 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90 is there. So then x-axis 1 centimeter equal to, the difference is 6 to 70, the difference is 10. So you have to take the 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Next, y-axis. Y-axis what we have to take? Number of students. How many students is the minimum students are there? 10. Sorry, maximum students are for 10 is there. 2, 5, 6, 10, 9, 8, 5. So here how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 lines are there. So each one 1 centimeter is the 1 unit. You have 1 student we have to take. Okay, children. So here y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 student. 1 centimeter equal to 1 student. You have to take the 1 centimeter equal to 1 student. Okay, children, did you understand? Let us start the graph. So, x-axis, we have to take the class interval. It means of intelligent quotient. So, starting with 60 onwards. So, here take the 60, next 70, next 80, 90, 100, 110, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So here up to 130 only is there. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay. So 60 onwards we have to take. Okay, children. So thick lines only we have to take the up to here 1 unit. The distance is the 1 unit. So 60, 70, 80 and up to 150 we have to take, children. Okay. Next, y-axis 1 centimeter. Up to here distance is the 1 centimeter. So here 1 student. So each line is the 1 student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maximum value 10 only is there. Maximum value 10 only. In the frequency maximum value is 10 is there. So up to 10 or 11 your wish. Okay, children. Now draw the histogram, means rectangle shapes. Histogram is a rectangle shape. So here, children, 6 to 7 to the mid value is the 65. The mid value is the 65. Okay, children. So now draw the graph. So the frequency 60 to 70 is the frequency is 2. So where is the 2 here? Yes, here. 60 to 70. Look here, dear children. So here 2 is there. The mid value of the 65. 60 to 70, the mid value of a light thick line is there. That is a 65, the mid value. So you draw the graph 60 to 70. Okay, children, did you understand? It is a 60 to 70. That is the student number of students 2. write the number also. Okay children. Next class interval 60 to 70 to 80. Next 70 to 80. So 70 to 80, how many students are there? 5. Where is the 5 here? Yes, here 5. 70 to 80 is 5. Draw the line. So it is a number of students 5. Okay children, clarity is there? Okay. Next, these are called a histograms. These diagrams called the histograms. It is a shape of the rectangle. It is a shape of the rectangle. Already we learned in the 7th class. Histograms. How to draw the histograms. These are called a histograms. Shape of the rectangle. So next 80 to 90. 80 to 90 is 6 students are there. So where is the 6 here? 6. So here draw the graph. 6 students. Next one 90 to 100, 10 members is there. 10 students are there. Here 10. So it is a 10. Okay children. So next 100 to 110, 9 is there. 100 to 110, 9. 100 to 10 is a 9. Next one 100 to 128. So here 8. So here 8 and here 9. Next 120, 130, 5. Okay children, it is a histogram diagram. Did you understand children this graph? Understand? Okay. Okay children. Thank you my dear students. I hope to understood these topics.